Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm showing you how to create a short video in Gemini. So it's all about describing the motion and the mood. So just start your prompt, choose the thinking model, it's way better for generating videos, and type in your prompt. Don't just say a sunset, instead just be specific about the camera movement as well. So for this we are using this kind of prompts. So it's going to be subject, environment, and camera. So just keep this in mind. And now let me give you an example. All right, so you just go make a video, then of, let's keep the grammar correct. There you go, and choose thinking, and then just generate. Right, and in the latest updates also, Gemini generates short 5 to 10 second high fidelity clips. These are perfect for social media, backgrounds, YouTube transitions, or vibe clips for your Shopify store. Also guys, don't forget that at any time you can regenerate or just refine or edit your video if you're not satisfied with the results. So also keep in mind that Gemini is quite cheap on how many of these videos it can generate on a free plan. So if you're, for example, looking to generate way more videos, I highly recommend you buy a subscription. But in general, now you have the idea, and now you can go ahead and make your art. So the future of content is generated. If this workshop guide helped you create your first AI masterpiece, hit like and subscribe.